We are flying to Jeju today.
One day when the light is glowing, I'll be in my castle golden.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to Jeju. Yay! And right now I'm gonna go Paris Baguette to get breakfast, and after that we're gonna take our flight. Our flight is at 11:45. At Paris Baguette, and guess who is inside? Okay. Get a little girl. Bacon. So cute. Yay! Breakfast. Sun is so bright today. Oh, breakfast.
I love how fresh the Paris Baguette breads are in Korea.
Yay! Our car is here, 9 o'clock.
We booked our airport transfer on Klook and it was roughly around $18 per person.
We are in the airport. Yay!
Turns out it was the wrong airport.
The bus to the domestic one.
Accidentally booked the wrong airport, so guys, just remember if you guys are taking a domestic flight to go to the domestic airport, not the international one.
Finally in the right airport, lol. Gonna check in.
Baggage inspection, interesting.
Sugar free.
I swear Koreans are obsessed with everything sugar free, so we tried the latte sugar free.
Quite nice. I like it. We got spongy. Oreo? A bit.
And it was time to go through immigration.
Time check is 10:30. Our flight is at 11:45, so we're quite early. Okay, it is number 4, so we have to go this way.
The airport is so aesthetic.
They have a nutrition table just for all the drinks in Dalgom. It's crazy. We got their hot chocolate. Yay! Hot chocolate. No, just trying. That's good as new. Boarding now. Going to the flight now. Welcome to Jeju. Yay! Luggage collected. Luggage collected. Going to collect our car now.
We had to take a shuttle bus to our rent-a-car place. It was only about a 5-minute bus ride and we reached.
The guys are looking for the car now. Our ride is here. Why you? Oh my god! I thought it was Beach driving. I was so scared. Our car. We load our luggage. Let's go.
This was Billy's first time on a left-hand drive and honestly it was quite scary.
His first parking. Wow. Black Paul.
Jeju is known for its black pork, so we went to try it on our first day.
Wow. Buffet.
This place was considered a bit more high-end because of how the menu looked, but the food was still pretty good.
Why is the pig inside not black one?
In classic Korean fashion, they cook for you. I'm honestly not a big fan of pork, so I got kimchi stew.
But they also got sundubu inside.
Since we're in Jeju, we had to go for some tangerine picking. Actually, it wasn't harvest season, but we could still try some tangerine picking.
These are the summer season tangerines, but we can't pick them yet. Wow.
She was so experienced, she literally just took it out from the tree and just started plucking for us to eat. Spring tangerines aren't actually very sweet, it's actually quite sour, but I think the summer ones are quite sweet. Still a 10 out of 10 experience though. We could only pick from 2 trees and they also had tiny tangerines that we could pick from too.
Picking oranges. Sorry, picking tangerines. So we've got to find where the thing is. Nip it off the butt. Oh, yay! And then we clip off this thing. Ta-da!
My first tangerine, yay! And now it's Sweet's turn, yippee!
Our goods. They have like hot and cold water that you can put your tangerine tea in. Very interesting, sweet style and then pieces
they provided some jams that you can try. I'm trying now. Take the spoon and you can just eat it like that. Yummy. And that crackers. Oh, it's like cream crackers that you can try with. This experience was only 5,000 won and they provide free snacks like this tangerine tea and biscuits. Huh? Some of my friends actually bought the tangerine tea because it was really fresh and it was only 8 to 9,000 won there. And we were en route to our hotel. The drive up there wasn't the easiest, but the view was so worth it. You guys can see in a while. We have just arrived. And the place looks so nice. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It was a really good bird's eye view of Jeju and I feel that I could see the whole Jeju from here. Can you guys see the view behind me? It's honestly such a breathtaking place. Like I've never stayed in somewhere more beautiful in my life. Like literally I'm above the mountains and like I'm never kidding, this is so beautiful. Like Yosubis is flying his own drone there. Crazy eh. Because it was getting dark, so we went to a nearby CU for just snacks and some light dinner. We parked and we went to CU. That's literally like 5 minutes away from our place. 34 hours or more, yahoo! We're here in CU to find food. Also there's a restaurant beside it, yay! Yeah, it looks quite stocked there. Oh, they have fun.
Toilet shower finish.
You're too short to quit.
Oh.
I got kimbap and the boys got ramen. And then we called it an early night because it was a long day for us tomorrow. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!